Hello, everyone, and welcome to another quick scan, TA scan session, I should say, with Ben and Rafa. How you doing, Rafa?
I'm doing great, Ben. Here we are back from yesterday's live presentation of the new TA scanner. So now it's time to test it in the field with real money.
Yes, exactly. Yesterday, the live stream, if you want to watch it back, it's still there. It was about a fast explanation of the scanner, but everything we covered. So if you're really wondering, like, how do I use it, go watch that live stream. It's pretty interesting to see what it all can do. I see the green crypto guy is here. Hello. Waiting for more people to see if they're coming as well. Ooh, looks like a nice new banner. Did StreamYard have some updates?
Oh yeah, The
Wow,
the pinned comment.
fancy. Oh, we need to update the banner because we haven't done 4 trades yet.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, this was mine from today.
Let's see. 1.5%.
Yeah. So
You
I
beast.
already made some interesting profits today, and I will say that it's really hard to not generate profit using this new TA scanner. So
Should I let you give it a go? All right, nice. The other thing that we have now is a sale. 6 days and 8 hours left for the sale, meaning that you can get the year plans with an even better price. Or if you want to use the TA scanner premium version, but not upgrade your existing package, then you can do so as well now with a nice discount. Only 6 days, so don't wait too long and then ask me for an extension, because we don't do that. It's 6 days, 8 hours. Go for it. Okay, that's done. What are we using today? We're using the BBB version. Let me just check that yeah. Oh, did you use this version today?
yeah, I did, and it's quite amazing. And I noticed that this strategy works way better on the short side. So I would prefer only to go short. But anyways, yeah.
Let me just make a slight adjustment as well.
Mhm.
So we'll add the Bollinger Band width and see if we can get some shorts today. Also, it does say buys though. It says buys, Rafa. Oh, that means that the trend is up. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, we have the short indication from the TA scanner, but our technical analysis sentiment shows like the technical side that we should prefer. But yeah, based on the strategy, I have seen all shorts for today. Like we just received the alert, the signal on this 5-minute candle.
Yep.
I mean, I only see short. Yeah.
It's pretty short. Oh, fun. Hello, fun. Oh, it's above the 200 moving average. It's in a... All right. Any suggestions, Rafa? Are we strong buy across the board?
Yeah. Yeah. But let's see if we can spot some vertical chart, as we do like to see some crazy movement to the upside and then short that move for a big drop. Let's see if, yeah, for example, this looks quite good.
Yeah, I like it.
How?
Oh, we have trade order. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Let's look it up. Yeah. Perfect. Short. That's this one, right? Yeah, that's that one. What have we got? 2% and 1. Okay. How are you guys feeling positive on going into shorts? I personally only look for longs because it's nice for me. Is that just today or is that all the time? Because one cannot be biased.
Yeah, but personally for scalping and using this strategy, I have noticed that shorts for me personally work better. But it's just my personal opinion, and yeah, because we are looking for a big move, so usually drops are that kind of move when volatility explode and the price just corrects and profits vanish for the long side. Yeah. So
Let's check. Got 3 minutes. Yeah, on 3 minutes we're also doing well. Let's see if we can grab. Let's just go.
yeah, but for example, on the swing trading, I definitely prefer long.
Even in this market, as in like.
Yeah.
It's a bit slow.
Yeah, a bit slow.
My order is on the line. Eat it.
What the other major cryptos doing? Yeah, red day today, but not panic.
I don't want to lose it. Let me just grab it. Yeah. With how much? 18. Yeah, come on. I want my whole order filled, please.
Problem that I'm limited in Dutch exchanges, so can trade on Binance. So the only Dutch exchange available is
You can trade on 2-bit futures and on hyperliquid futures.
And Qcoin. What about Qcoin?
No. Damn it!
Oh, bang!
Yeah,
Miss it?
but it only took 18 instead of 200. I mean, percentage-wise, this is like the move is nice, but this is peanuts. Yeah, I might as well just close it now. Damn. But the move is. Yeah, it only took 18. I ordered to 235, but the order book was too thin. Only filled 18 out of. That's not a lot.
What happened? We enter, right?
Yeah, but with only 18 Trador instead of 240 that I ordered. So yeah, that kind of sucks. Let's move on. We'll just leave this on.
Yeah.
Forget about it. Let's just we'll lock in some profits. It's fine. It's only a couple cents. It's just peanuts. Oh well, a win is a win, I suppose.
Yeah, but we kind of percentage.
Oh, just broke 200 moving average. I'm not gonna go long in that case.
Nice trigger setup. Yeah.
ICNT. Ooh.
What is the missile?
Let's see. 15 minutes. Where are we? That thing just shut up.
Roma Torba just opened some shorts on major coins. Not scalping.
What do you think? Is it time to enter? It's 30 seconds.
What
30
is
seconds.
3 minutes
A
candle?
green. It looks like it's going to be a green candle.
Yeah, yeah,
So wait a little bit longer.
yeah. Trader is going down, good.
Another green candle. It's good to wait. That's that. So we could go for a little bit higher. Yeah. Tradora looks like a good trade, but
yeah, looks good.
Should I risk this one? Should I risk it for the biscuit?
No idea, no idea. What is?
Let's see. 1 minute. Yeah,
NT?
clear. Diminishing here.
Yeah,
I'm gonna go for it. Bit go.
very quick trade.
Okay.
Okay. Oh.
Can always trust soda. In the new scanner, is it the option? Is there an option to only show the profitable ones? Yeah, after you've taken the trades, you can filter on profitable.
Make some big test.
Right, let's spot the next one. And why is I don't know.
Let's hunt.
Upset. Ooh, puffer.
Ooh, wow.
If there's a pump and dump, this is it. Look at that 15-minute candle.
Wow. Okay.
Where is puffer going? Oh, look, it pumped before. Okay, so we've got a nice little bit of a pump left.
I feel like it's gonna be a good session, Ben.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Or it's gonna be terrible because we're chasing.
No.
We're chasing the markets again like this.
The charts look great. Some volatility is coming around the market, so let's ride some big spike. Oh wow. It fell like 80% in 1 year. What is that?
Yeah.
80%. So just short it.
Oh, we're going. Okay. Let me in. Yep. Did we? Yeah. Yes.
Nice. Three trades. 3 shorts.
Drop like a mother, please.
Dollar index is rising. Index are falling, and oil is pumping like crazy. But actually, crypto, they are reacting well.
The longs are in here as well. You just have to click on them, like so. You would look for a long here, and a long here. And here, another long, and another long. Bank. Oh, hello, bank.
Ooh. Green crypto guy, what do you think? This is a good setup for a long. Look at this.
Well, I don't know.
Oh my god, it's a bit risky.
This is one of those typical risky trades where
yeah,
where it could fall and just take out your stop loss and then return that nice profit.
absolutely. Crypto guys say absolutely. So let's jump in. Bank.
15 seconds. Let's see. That's a good recovery.
Yeah. Yeah, that support previously works good.
The question is, will we get filled or killed? That's a fill, if I'm not mistaken. There we go. Okay. Oh, well, let's have a look at Puffer, because Puffer is nicely going.
Yeah, also I used to do that. So no stop loss. Yeah, personally prefer to manage as you do, like DCA, stuff like that for long. But yeah, need to manage the risk quite well. Ooh, I like it. I like it.
It's gonna be a quick one. Looks like we're almost out.
Oh, you move the stop loss?
Yeah.
So, nice. Nice. First profit, and it's a good one. Buffer.
Bank is still thinking about it.
All right, I'm gonna update our banner. Buffer in the pocket.
let's bank. Come on, this one's looking like it's going to drop soon.
Okay.
Let's go. Drop. Touch that 200 moving average.
It's forming a top for full.
Yeah, I just don't want it to bounce off the middle line and then that would suck.
Bank looks like it's forming some kind of floor, like a ground support. Maybe a bit slow.
Yeah, no divergence yet. So it's hard to see.
You see, so the problem is that if you look for a long position, usually longs are much slower than shorts. So after a big drop like that, if you enter long and you want to, ride a bounce, it takes a while. But the other side for short, immediately they drop immediately. So it's faster and much more profitable. That's why personally I noticed that shorts work better for this kind of strategy and for this kind of session.
I agree. They do. This one, this is a bad market, really. Like, not enough liquidity here.
But using the new TA scanner, you can base.
Ooh.
Looks bad.
It could be good for bank. Okay, so Trador is out, but that was only pennies.
Like break even almost.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Zero.
Wasn't that?
Zero.
Okay.
Means nothing. It was a failed trade anyway.
So I don't count that trade.
Okay, so bank is not following the others. Anything else that we see? Gala. No. Stay away. Idle.
Ooh, look at that shadow.
Yeah, that's got a nice one. But it's also tricky because this is a lot. Like there's still a lot of room in here for it to go. I'm gonna skip this.
Yeah.
This looks better.
Yeah. Ooh.
This looks like we might be able to catch.
It's time. It's time.
We might need this one on the 1 minute because there's a lot of room in here.
Yeah. But it seems like already a good price level.
Oh, did I miss it?
Oof.
I missed it. No. Come on.
Yeah, it's fine.
On the freaking second.
It was time. It was the time.
I hate these. Ah.
Let's spot another chart similar to this one.
Wait, let me just.
Oh my god, good point, Roman. Yeah, very, very funny comment. Yeah,
Because the move is done.
yeah, I agree with you, crypto guy. Yeah, but it's
we've had XPL before, I think.
We had it before.
We must have traded it before. I'm gonna go for it. I might regret it, but I'm done chasing the missers. And then you see, this is emotional trading, right? Yeah, I can feel it. It's just bad emotional trading. I should be punished. How are these doing? Just going sideways. Two of them going sideways.
XPL. Solid upside trend.
Yeah.
Yeah, I also don't feel crypto guy relaxed for the short trades, but if you do scalping, I think it's fine because it's just for a short time. And when I go short, I always think like I'm not selling the stuff. I'm just waiting for others to take profit. So the shorts, most of the time, they are just buyers that are taking profit. So that's why the price moved down.
Oh crap! It's half an hour, right? It's the half an hour again. And there's news. There's Bitcoin news. Isn't there? Isn't there news today or something?
Let me check what Bitcoin is doing. Yeah, it's rising. A big, a medium bounce back. So yeah, probably is bringing other crypto. But yeah, I think it's just a technical reaction to what is happening in general, overall, the market. I mean, there are big drops on traditional assets.
XPL is, yes, XPL is moving.
Nice.
Bank is still thinking about it. XPO. Okay. Come on. Go down. Let's look at the 1 minute. What's going on the 1 minute? Oh, ICNT is not doing well.
Yeah, yeah, probably David is right, but maybe there is like flight to quality. So some investors and operators are moving capital from assets to crypto and Bitcoin. I mean, these days I saw some buying volume on Bitcoin. So something is switching in the narrative. There.
Okay, bank is going.
Ooh, nice candle.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Grab some more. Yeah. This is good. Still have this gap as well. Right, almost the end of the candle. Let's see if it can continue its move. A small red or a good green is both fine. All right, well, let's see what the others are doing. Just check. Yeah.
Yeah. So a possible retest to the 72, 73K is on the horizon, and then you just can short again.
Bank looking okay. ICNT is still struggling. XPL might sweep again. Hopefully it can stay below our stop loss, but it might sweep this.
Ben, question for you. Will there also be a TA scanner channel in Discord?
We can, but what would you like to discuss there? That's more of the question.
I mean, maybe
So
everyone could share its own strategy or rule parameter.
that's the sweep. Stay below our stop loss, please.
Setting strategy profit. That's what Dream Crypto Guy said for the channel on Discord.
Yeah, for settings, yeah, as we can share settings, that would be interesting. Oh, XPL, yeah. That's what we're looking at. This one. 8 seconds. Please let it be the sweep. And then the crash, please. Not the continuation. I need to see it break below this one. Then I'm happy.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we're going to get too much compression. And then it could be a continuation pattern. Because then it will be something like that one, where it will just then continue to that way. And that's not what we want, because then we're out.
Yeah.
So we need to see it drop below this candle.
Oh, yeah.
That
meanwhile, bank is skyrocketing.
Are we close to banking it? Come on, dip below it. Let's check bank. Let's see. That's a good move. ICT. Yeah. It's just slow. So there's a lot of indecision here. No close yet. 45 seconds left.
The green crypto guys suggest to move the take profit at the start of the rise. So I guess like
for bank?
No, on XPL.
The TP. Yeah,
maybe it's a bit lower. Maybe move to that zone, that price
level. Yeah, but we'll probably move the stop loss before that anyway. So if I walk away, I will do that. But in this case, we're not walking away. And if then the price does drop all the way down there, then I don't want to be like caught off guard. But the 1 minute, it did not close, so it's the same. So we're gonna be, we're not out of the woods just yet. If on the 1 minute we can see a close below the middle line, that would also be nice. But this is not looking very good at the moment.
Yeah, it seems like an accumulation phase for a second.
No, there is RSI divergence though.
Oh yeah. Oh, I didn't notice that. Yeah.
Going up, and this one going down. This one going down.
So yeah, let's wait a bit more.
It's just that we can't have that final sweep. Like you can see the tops here. Could potentially be another sweep of this one and then go. Shall we try a rebuy?
A resell?
Or an extra entry on this level.
Yeah. Good idea.
Because it's on, especially on the 3 minute, it's it'll push it out again. ICNT is in a similar pattern, really.
Yeah.
Let's see, can we close Bollinger Band is closing in. Okay. 5 seconds left. Just a touch. Just a touch. That's going to be another minute or two.
Let's break this middle line. Come on.
I'm glad I spaced out my my stop losses a little bit further and adjust my risk reward, because we would have had 2 losses already.
You learn from your mistake, Ben.
Yeah. Can we check?
I mean, it's not a mistake. It's just that
for a good trade. Oh, look at that! I mean, this is what you like to see, right? Like that, we couldn't have waited until here. That's where the initial take profit was. We locked it in. I mean, there wasn't more in it, but I'm happy with this. Look at that. This would have been a stop loss.
Mm-hmm.
And Trador, same. Look at that. Yeah. I'm happy with those executions.
You managed them well.
Okay.
Nice long.
Bank is doing okay. Creeping up. Oh. That's the formation of it. Okay, that's not the entry yet. But this could be a reversal.
Or it could be just a small lateral phase compression as it happened before, and then the price went up again.
Yeah, on the 1 minute it looks different.
Yeah.
On the 1 minute you could see that that this pattern could be. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I will be so happy today that we can sunset trading. There we go. Let's see what it looks like on the 3 minute. Yeah, plausible. Probably a little bit deeper, but oh well. Bollinger Band is narrowing.
Conservative approach paid off today. Yeah.
So far. So far, good.
Will you use the fair value gap to adjust the take profit on bank?
I have done in the past, yes. But in this case, this is what formed the fair value gap. So this would be the actual bounce of it. If it continues now, then it's not it's not going to respect this fair value gap like that. This one looks better, like on the 15 minute. It's this fair value gap. So at least the top of this one, I would like to see it close, because this was such a massive move. You saw it here as well, right? This big fair value gap was closed sometime after that. And even on the 15 minute, like this looks like a pattern that wants to slowly creep back up.
Yeah. Give time to the chart to breathe. I think there is still space for the upside on bank.
Bank. Ooh. So close, yet no cigar. But look at this. This is a classic ascending triangle, if you ask me. Is there anything on the 50-minute that we could see as a target? No, not really. Yeah, the fair value gap here, maybe. Are we finally closing below it? Middle line flattening.
All the tops are get sold and all the bottoms are get bought.
Yeah, 16 seconds. Are we going to close below, or at least move the middle line down? That would also be fine. Still not.
It's good for you, crypto guy.
Yeah, being defensive is not bad.
Yeah. If you feel confident, just do your way. I mean, that is the amazing part of trading.
I'm just getting
Everyone has its own way to do.
an insider tip. Short on pump, 5 minutes. Yeah, could be. Yeah.
The red bell is still there.
Yeah, nice, right? You can still see. Yeah, it's like, oh yeah.
Yeah, you can see that it's still validated.
Yeah, okay, I'm going to take it. Reverse pump, please. Okay, now we have enough open orders. Eric, this is on you. If we fail it, you owe me a coffee. But last week, Eric was spot on. Oh, look at that. I think we need to adjust this one to go a little bit higher.
A little bit higher, you move it like for
just
points so far.
Just to make sure that we don't get, like, because I needed to have some time. I don't want it to just nip it and then continue. Like, I want to be on this level. Okay. Pump is hovering around break even. Yes, I am using the fair value gap indicator for sure. Just helps you to spot these points of interest quicker. Mhm. Now, if XPL is doing the same, then we should be dropping soon. Oh man, it's a slow end.
Yeah.
First half hour was a little bit more volatile. Hello, Martin. Bit late to the party. Well, that's okay. We've got some celebrating left. Hopefully. Got 2 greens, 2 reds, 1 already closed in profit. Now we just need to wait for a little bit more volatility in the market.
There will be some break of structure soon.
Look at this. What is this? What in the manipulation is this? It's just struggling to break out of this level, isn't it?
Yeah. No enough strength.
Oh, pump on the 3 minutes just looks so nice. Bank is still following it a little bit. Oh, yeah.
Too slow, Ben. Too slow.
I know. You must be falling asleep.
Like they got a red traffic light. They stuck in the traffic jam.
This was a 5-minute trade, by the way. Go on, just drop already. Everything like seems to struggle. Just not enough traders. We already saw that by like a partially filled order on Trader, which was like absolutely no volume at all. Question: can the TA scanner alerts also be alerts for webhooks? Not at the moment. We want to make sure that it works properly first before we start to automate things, because without supervision, like this is okay, but if you start to see like alerts getting triggered left, right, and center, we need to have some kind of mechanism to stop the signals. Can you just wake me up when we get there? I can catch up on some Z's. Jeez. Move already. It's that famous meme, right? And where you poke with the stick, like move. Make the move. Come on.
Don't disturb the market, because when it wakes up, it's gonna.
I mean, this is also like one of the reasons why I've stopped doing this like for many hours a day, because sometimes you just feel like you're wasting time. It's like,
yeah.
And then all of a sudden it goes BAM! And you got your profit. And then the mood shifts. We're all happy and dancing on the tables again because we made $2 profit on a trade. Awesome. By the way, if you are here and watching and you're like, it's nice that you trade this Bollinger Band reversal, but I'm really not interested in that. Just create your own strategy, right? Start from scratch. Pick any indicator that you have that you like from a list of 59 indicators. There should be something in there that you trade. If not, shoot us a message and we can see if we can add the indicator. Now, someone asked me, can you build this indicator for me? And it was a full Pine script. I was like, that's not suitable for the scanner because the scanner can work with like the how do you say that? The core indicators. Like a lot of these Pine scripts, they just put together a lot of core indicators together, slap a nice label on it, and sell it. We can connect the core indicators, and then you can combine that into the strategy using the builder, of course. So if you have core strategies or core indicators that you're missing, let us know, and we'll probably be able to add those in. Yeah. There was already someone asked also for Heiken Ashi candle-based indicators. So that's a good idea. Hi guys, your platform is great. Been using it for 2 months. That's great to hear. Hopefully you've been able to enjoy the new scanner already. It's not really a clear direction still. Like some markets go down, some markets go up. It's not like they're all following the same thing, which in theory is good, right? Because you don't really want to be following the masses. You want them to be independent and using their own market structure. You installed the Signal bot and it's working great. Well, that's good to hear. We're also got some nice grid bot improvements ready, especially on how to set them up and find markets that are suitable for grid bots. It's been really good. If Roman is still here, how much profit is your bot on now? Last time he showed me, it was like 20% in 4 days.
What the heck?
He was like, oh yeah, I like this new scanner. I was like, oh, okay.
Okay, nice reversal ban on pump.
Yeah, thank you, Eric.
So we almost there.
Just wanted to ask about the grid bot. What did you want to ask? What's your question? Our new backend for the TA scanner and all the other market scanner bits that we're building slowly. That also comes with a grid bot optimizer. So you can just check a market and then hit a button and it will give you 3 best effort examples based on about 30 scans that it does. So it does, for each time that you click on it, it's doing about 30 different combinations of your grid bot, and it will give you the best results on what to use for your grid bot. on any market. It's pretty good. Obviously, it's also showing you if there is no profit to be made, which is something that you want to know, right? When you start a grid bot, you'd like, okay, what are my odds that it's gonna work? Like I can't provide a button that will give you profits that are simply not possible, but I can give you a button that tells you what the odds are of having a profitable grid. And obviously, nothing is guaranteed. It's all based on historic data, not future. Not future data. If we had the future, that would be awesome, but we don't. Painful this. Our bank is moving away from my drawing. That's not what we agreed upon. Oh, this one made a nice recovery as well.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's closing into the time where we're going to have to be managing our stop losses and exits.
Yeah, the current positions, actually, if we close all 4, we get like a break even almost.
Oh, this one is just break even now.
But we have one.
Only XPL is unprotected at the moment. This was unsafe. Check what Bitcoin is doing.
Bitcoin is still the same price level, 70K. Keep touching that price, that resistance.
So it's entering the fair value gap right now. If you're not receiving any buy and sell notifications, then check the settings of your device. And if you can't figure it out, again, just contact support and they'll be able to sort it out for you quite quickly. They can send test messages and stuff. You can send test messages as well, by the way. If you go here to devices, you have a lot. You can send test alerts. If you don't receive anything, then you can just say delete all other devices. And then, yeah, you can also delete the current one. And then it should start to work again. But most likely it's a permission issue. Or also possible if you go to the global notification center and maybe you've unselected these. There's more settings here. So in the settings, global notification settings, look at pump. We're closing in. Oh, that's nice to hear. Thank you, Satoshi Nakamoto. Also for creating Bitcoin. That's very much appreciated. Thank you. And nice of you to check in here.
Our Lord.
Whatever you do, don't touch your wallet. It will ruin crypto. Can you imagine sitting on that wallet? Poof.
Oh, nice reaction is almost there, pump. We could consider a close.
Well, at least a lock-in.
Oh yeah.
To this candle.
Yeah.
Like we don't want to exit too early. But so far so good.
Yeah. Ooh.
Far so good. Come on, just a tad more. Just a little bit more. This is way too close for comfort for me. Like I'm gonna lock that in. Like it's either profit or profit. I will choose profit, please. Nice. Come on. Let's close the stream with a nice profit. Take profit. Preferably not stop loss, but I'll take a stop loss in this case. Copy for me, I think. You've got the free version of the app. I think that's where. I think we're good. But thank you. Next week you're on the stream, right? You're coming. Like this is 3 for 3 you're on now. We don't need the TA scanner. We need an Eric scanner.
Now we are stuck between the take profit and the take profit ban.
It's like, who's gonna budge first? Like,
it doesn't want us to take any profits, so it's stuck there for the rest of the session.
Oh, it's done. It's done. We're out. Thank you. Let's help the system a bit. I think there's something with my website.
Ooh. Great. Nice.
Thank you, Eric.
Thank you, Eric. Now the real struggle is on IC and NT.
Yeah, but this one also looks, our XPL now looks, ICNT is,
So ugly chart. Can't figure out what is happening there.
You're informing everyone around you about this platform. Well, that's very much appreciated. Also, do remember that we do have an affiliate program. So if you are sharing it, make sure to use your affiliate code. Don't let that go to waste.
Nice. Yeah, in Turkey, there are many people holding and using Bitcoin. I remember last year I have been to Istanbul, and there are many places where you exchange Bitcoin with fiat currencies.
Yeah, but it makes sense, right? If you have difficulties getting dollars, right?
Yeah.
And your own currency is losing tons and tons of value against the dollar. What is the other option? Crypto is the only option?
The lira, Turkey lira is like.
Yeah. Like, can you imagine if you had your life savings, if you had your life savings stuck in a 10-year deposit in Turkish lira, like, ow. So yeah, if you have some nice Bitcoin reserve, then at least you don't have that problem. Obviously, it would be better if the Turkish lira recovered, but that's probably not very likely.
Yeah, but it's not only about the lira, it's about all fiat currencies.
Yeah.
So that's why Bitcoin exists.
Exactly. You know what? I have actual good feeling about all three positions. Oh, can you update the banner before we go? Because we might have to go.
Oh yeah. Let me update with the pump performance on pump.
Yeah, I'm gonna lock this one in. Like, I'm done with this trade. We're either going to see.
Ooh, nice gain on pump. That is a big profit. Wow. Yeah. So we are above 2.2% PNL.
As we go, then we're locking in a loss of 83 cents here. I feel good about it. This is that classic. This is why it's bad to trade in an hour only and maybe go over it in a few extra minutes. But yeah, this loss is a lot.
All right. So yeah.
That would break even again.
Yeah. A small loss, overall loss, if we close that position at that price level. We have like we have $4 as a margin for break even as an edge. So let's count. Yeah. If we close all the three positions right now, in this current situation, we have like 0.0 PNL at the end of this live.
Awesome. When I feel really good about all three of them, really, but I don't feel good about leaving them unprotected. Like I prefer this one to be there, really, but yeah, we'll see. Bank. Yeah, I just want bank to go up. I'm taking a bit less. This one. Yeah, this is the annoying one.
What RSI is doing?
Going sideways. It's huge divergence.
Yeah. Let's wait a bit more.
Yeah, but I have to go. So
okay, let's close.
We'll wait, but I'm not. I mean, everything's protected, right? That's a stop loss. That's a stop loss. That's a stop loss, and it's probably going to be like like last week, where everything was looking fine, and then you have to leave, and then leave open until next stream.
Yeah, let's leave the screen on.
Yeah. All right, everyone. Thank you for watching. You saw 2 trades in profit. That's good. We still have 3 open. It would have looked great, but unfortunately, we're giving ourselves a little bit over an hour to trade, and then we have to shut it down. Take a little risk and let it go. You know what, Eric? It's not. It's you're right. Let's just put them where they were. Trust Eric.
Yeah, let's trust.
So, okay. Trust in the process. Everyone happy? I will be once we get profit, but let's go. All right, everyone. Thank you for watching. See you again next week if my wife hasn't given birth yet. Otherwise, I'll be back in a few more weeks. All right. Thank you for watching and see you later. Bye-bye. Thank you, Rafa.
Thanks. Bye.